How to create and use journal entry templates in Brisk Accounts. To create and use journal entry templates in Brisk Accounts, go to Accounts and click Record Journal, then enter your journal details as usual. Before clicking Record, select Save as Template to store the journal entry for future use. When recording a new journal entry, click Use Template, choose a saved template, and click Load. Update the date or amounts as needed, then click Record to post the entry. Continue watching for more details on how to create and use journal entry templates in Brisk Accounts. Journal entry templates in Brisk Accounts help you save time when recording recurring or similar journal entries. Instead of re-entering the same accounts and structure each time, you can save a journal as a template and reuse it whenever needed. To create a journal entry template, start by going to Accounts in the left-hand menu and click Record Journal. Enter all of the journal details, including the reference, memo, and account allocations. Before clicking the Record button, select Save as Template at the bottom left of the screen. This saves the journal details as a reusable template, allowing you to quickly create similar journal entries in the future by only updating the date and amounts. To use a saved journal template, from the Journal Entry window, click Use Template to open a list of your saved templates. Select the template you want to use and click Load. Review the details, update necessary details such as the date or amounts, then click Record to post the journal entry. For more Brisk Accounts tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.